Hi everyone, my name is Alex and today is my debut in the Green Spoon kitchen and I'm gonna make 3 types of delicious bagels under 30 minutes, all ingredients you can get from Green Spoon. We have 1 multigrain, peanut butter, banana and chocolate chips, 1 New York lox bagel, salmon, cream cheese and some specials. And we have this dessert bagel, cinnamon raisin bun with raspberry filling and topping. So guys, today we're going to make 3 very simple bagels, nothing fancy. This should be your go-to for a nice lunch with friends, 30 minutes, and you will be able to delight your friends with like delicious things. So we're going to make 3 bagels. 1, we're going to make a salmon, New York style salmon lox with gravlax, cream cheese, dill, capers and microgreens. Really nice, very easy to make. Second one is more like a sweet one that we're gonna make with peanut butter, banana and like real chocolate chips, really nice. And then the third one we're gonna make is a special one. It's gonna be a bit of an experiment, but it's gonna be with raspberries, mascarpone and raspberry jam. So, looking forward to making this. You just cut them through the length, just make sure it's even, and then they're ready to get toasted, like 8 minutes, oven on 200 degrees, and you will be perfectly fine. Yeah?
Yeah.
So we take mascarpone, which is an Italian cheese. We put it in here. Then, what we're gonna mix it with is raspberry jam from my cuisine. It gives this very nice red color, right? For a bit of sweetness we add some honey, just a bit. And lastly we add this very special vanilla paste from Tanzania, just a bit, and it will already make it taste absolutely delicious. So we mix the raspberries, the vanilla, the honey. You can see it gets this beautiful, nice red color. I think this is a bit on the dark side, so let's add a bit more mascarpone. Let's have a taste. Really nice. You can really feel the vanilla delicious together with raspberries. This is very special. Your friends are going to enjoy this. We now take the bagels out of the oven. It has been 8 minutes and I can smell already. They are beautiful. They are beautiful. You can see really nice golden brown. And when I get the one, yeah, you can feel it's really nice and crunchy. So this is going to be delicious. Now we bring it all together. For this one I've selected the cinnamon raisin bagel because it's nice and sweet, so it will work nice together. It's some sort of dessert type of taste it will get. And it's very simple. We just add a rich amount of the raspberry mix, like a really rich amount. Wow, look at that. We have made it, so better use it. Right? And then we just add some nice raspberries in between. And you get a beautiful, oh, I did it on the wrong one. You get a beautiful desserty raspberry bagel. So for the bagel number 2, the cream cheese salmon or lox bagel, we're gonna use the everything bagel. That's a bagel that literally has everything. So it has chia seeds, it has sesame, it has sea salt, really nice. So let me put them here. Again, we're gonna be really royal in applying the toppings, right? Wow. You need a lot of cream cheese to make it really nice. Yeah? Then, just a bit of dill below, that really balances the flavor. Then we have capers and sea salt. I'm not gonna slice them, just so you can feel the real rich caper taste. It's maybe a bit overdone, but still. So then we get the salmon gravlax. This has been cured here in Kenya, really nice. So you don't have to do it yourself. You can also do it yourself, but it will take you at least 12 hours to do it. So we have the salmon on top. Of course, you can decide to add more. I'll leave it at this for now. And I'll add a bit more of the cream cheese on top. And then, as the finishing touch, we add some microgreens. Look at that. That's beautiful, right? And we'll give it such a distinct taste. And it will make it really fresh. And then you can choose to make it a bit more fresh with a bit of lemon. Voila! Beautiful. This is going to be absolutely delicious. For the third bagel, we're going to use a multigrain, which is the healthiest one of all the bagels. And we're also going to make it very healthy. It's going to be sweet, nice, but very healthy. We have the bagels here. What we're going to add is bananas, ripe bananas from Meru. We're going to have this delicious peanut butter, 100% from Kenya, nothing added except a bit of salt. You can see, it's oozing. And then we have, to give a bit of indulgence, these chocolate chips, which are going to give it a nice chocolatey taste. Very simple. So secret trick, I slice the bananas like this, so it will look even richer, right? So we make it a bit more diagonal. And I also like to do like thick slices so that it's really like a filling meal. So you have a good ratio of the banana and the peanut butter and the bagel. So here we have the peanut butter. This is really healthy. This is good, really good stuff. You can see how it goes. Wow. We add a bit more, so make sure it's a nice filling bagel. You don't want to leave your guests hungry, right? Otherwise they will never come again. So here we have the peanut butter. You can even decide to do one on the top. Let's do one, right? Here we go. Let me put my knife here. And then we put the bananas. Bananas on top. And then, if the bananas are nice on top, here's the moment you've all been waiting for. The chocolate chips. We're gonna be generous. We need to be kind to ourselves, right? Wow. And this is not just for show. You're really gonna taste the difference. Like real chocolate chips, real banana, good peanut butter. You can eat this every day. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Multigrain bagels with peanut butter and bananas. Excellent. So guys, this is how you make these very simple bagels, all under 30 minutes. Your friends are gonna love it. You're gonna have a lot of parties at your home. Remember, you can get all these ingredients on Greenspoon. In the notes here, you can find all the ingredients. Enjoy, and now let's taste. Taste, guys. Here. Yeah, wow. Really nice. Remember, we can get all these ingredients, finger-licking good ingredients, from Greenspoon. Thanks for watching.